Hey, it's Terrence Hill, the real estate consultant. I was thinking this morning about the top 5 things I think all investors, new investors needs to know, even other investors that's looking to penetrate a new market. Here they are. Number one, risk. You have to understand investing in real estate is a risk-oriented type of situation. There's a chance that you may lose, and of course, there's also a chance that you may win. Of course, there's a cliche that goes similar to, no risk, no reward. The higher the risk, the potential for a higher reward. So those things that you must keep in mind. And number two, what is your why? Number two really could be number one, but what is your why? Like, what is driving you to invest in real estate? Do you want to diversify your portfolio, or are you looking to retire early? Or are you looking to have some residual income coming in to make your lifestyle easier? Because the money should be just a byproduct of what it is your ultimate goal is. And so knowing your why is extremely important. It's actually critical to your success. And so number three, the process. Understanding that investing in real estate is a process, that it takes time in order for you to get to where you want to go. There's no get rich quick type of approach. You have to be methodical, consistent, and have the ability to pivot and change as the market changes and adjust. My mentor tells me all the time is that, Terrence, the real estate market, the market is the market, which means that the market is going to do what it's going to do. What are you going to do as an investor? Are you going to get on the sideline, put your money into the stock market, put it in a mutual fund, 401k, or are you going to put it in a bank, money market account, savings account at 0.003%? Those are things that you must consider when investing in real estate. And also, you must know that you get out of it what you put in it. You don't put a lot of time and energy and effort into it and money, you don't get a lot out of it. So you have to be mindful, like, how much are you willing to commit, or what team of individuals are you going to team up with in order to make that process more streamlined and seamless for you? So you want something turnkey, you want somebody to oversee the renovations, you want to be on the ground and be able to save money. So you have to figure out how much time, energy, and effort that you're willing to deploy. And if you're not willing to invest time, energy, in sweat equity, then you have to have the resources to hire people out in order to be able to facilitate that and make sure that you're able to see your end product being what it is that you want to be. Number 5, be open to new information. The market is always shifting and adjusting. And as I said, the real estate market is the market. Always be open to new information. And so even when you get into projects, I'm working on a project now where I've had to make some changes on the fly as material costs have changed, sometimes access to certain material, sometimes contracting issues. You have to be willing to pivot, and as opposed to just doubling down and figuring out the best way to get to where you're trying to go, and stay on point with your key objectives. So those are the 5 key things. I highlight them below. Thank you for taking the time to view this video.